Your grace is love beyond all means. It breaks the chains and gives strength to the weak. When I am lost, you're there with me. Your grace alone can set me free. Your grace abounds, it knows no end. It covers me and is my defense. When I am weak, you're strong for me. Your grace alone can set me free. Your grace alone is good enough. Without your grace, there is no love. Wherever I go, you go with me. Your grace alone can comfort me. Your grace extends and offers light that never ends, and I don't know why. When I am lost, you're there with me. Your grace alone can set me free. Your grace alone is good enough. Your grace alone can comfort me. Your grace alone is good enough. Without your grace, there is no love. Wherever I go, you go with me. Your
Praise the Lord, oh my soul. Praise the Lord, oh my soul. I won't be quiet. I won't be quiet. My God is alive. How could I keep it inside? Praise.